Okay, now on this 2008 Escalade, you got a busted fog light because he has a wife, and if he didn't have a wife, it wouldn't have happened. He went online and ordered his own. He got these black ones, so I'm gonna put some black fog lights in here. They look pretty simple. Yeah, it looks like a few bolts from underneath here, and they come right out. We shall see. There's supposed to be a panel here. That's probably on the highway somewhere between here and Nevada or wherever they went. Yeah, this one's kind of busted out too a little bit. Funky. Okay, let's see what I can do. You never want to touch these bulbs with your fingers, because if you do, the oil on your fingers will get on it. It'll make a hot spot, and it can melt the glass. You can use fingernail polish remover or brake cleaner to clean them off if you need to, like a really clean cloth. I think his fog lights came with new ones, so I won't need them. Oh, look, no bulb. Where'd that nut go? Well, this is kind of... It's not supposed to come out like that, just so you know. Whoa, here it is. Wow. That was really tough stuff. Yeah, it looks like these aftermarket bulbs are sort of fit. So I'm going to get in here and lean this hole out a little bit here. Oh, it don't like me. Aftermarket stuff. Let's see if this one fits, because if it does, I'm going to use it. Oh yeah. These bulbs you can touch. Those ain't so big of a deal. There. Blackened. Ooh. Okay, now I'll put on the other side. That one will probably come off the way it's supposed to. This is a 10. Hey, that one lines up. There's his fancy fog lights.